So the most important property is Williamson's etherification or Williamson's synthesis. Of course, the preparation method of ether, property of the alkyl halide. Now, in this reaction, sodium alkoxide is treated with the alkyl halide. Remember, this reaction is of SN2 type. So this alkyl group has to be something which is unhindered. We can take a primary one. This alkyl group can be anything. It can be 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, or even aryl also. Now, in this reaction, the alkoxide ion attacks the alkyl group carrying a halogen from the backside to form an ether. ROR plus AX. Of course, this is R dash, right? Now let me give you some examples. So this is sodium ethoxide. When treated with methyl chloride, so this is 1 degree. Even this also is a 1 degree alkyl halide. Now this attacks, this one goes off. We get methoxyethane or ethyl methyl ether. Now, look at this interesting example. See, this is sodium tertiary butoxide. A tertiary one, when treated with methyl chloride, a primary one. No problem. Here, the same SN2 reaction occurs. And you'll get methyl tertiary butyl ether. But if suppose we take them in a different way, let me show you. Now, if suppose it is taken as sodium methoxide with a tertiary butyl halide. Now, in this case, you know, this methoxide ion acts as a strong base. We know that. And see, because this is a tertiary alkyl halide, you cannot go for SN2, you can only go for E2, isn't it? Of course, it is a strong nucleophile also. But because this is hindered or bulky, you cannot go for SN2. This is very interesting. Now, let me give you the mechanism. Take it this way. Now, the methoxide ion simply abstracts this H plus, then this one goes here, this one goes off. So that is how you get isobutylene. Look at this. Isobutylene, elimination product. So this is very interesting. If the alkyl halide is something hindered, then obviously elimination occurs rather than substitution, what we normally see in Williamson's. Now, coming to the aryl. So, this is sodium phenoxide. Aryl. Treated with a primary one. Yes, this occurs because a primary one is a unhindered one. You get ethoxybenzene, also known as phenol. Methoxybenzene is called anisole. Ethoxybenzene is called phenol. Okay. Now, if suppose there is a withdrawing group, say for example, a strong withdrawing group like nitro, treated with this benzyl bromide, of course, 1 degree. Take aqueous sodium hydroxide, which actually converts this OH into ONA, isn't it? You get alkoxide, or in this case, it's phenoxide. Now, this O minus, I mean, this OH is converted into O minus Na plus. Then now, this O minus will attack this particular carbon. And see, this O minus, I mean, the negative charge is what is stabilized by the withdrawing group. When it gets stabilized, rate of reaction increases. Okay. Now the product. This is about Williamson's synthesis or Williamson's etherification. Now, let us now go for Wood's reaction. Of course, discussed in detail in alkanes, but let me just give you the basic reaction. Alkyl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form alkenes. Remember one thing, the property of one particular compound is a preparation of another and vice versa. So see here it is a property of alkyl halide. There it was the preparation of alkane. So this way we can take many things and even the reductions and oxidations also. Coming to the reduction reaction, you know, alkyl halides on reduction with a nascent hydrogen. You have seen there are so many reagents used, acidic medium, basic medium, and even this sodium ethyl alcohol, a very important zinc copper couple in alcohols. So this can simply be given as, see, you get alkane and then the hydrogen halide. Okay, then the oxidation reaction. See the alkyl halides with the urotropin, hexamethylene tetramine, then DMSO. Okay, form or undergo oxidation to form aldehydes. Primary undergo oxidation to form aldehydes. The secondary ones, this type, undergo oxidation to form ketones. Free degree alkyl halides do not give this reaction. Now, this is actually called Swan oxidation. Okay, this of course is urotropin or hexamethylene tetramine. Now, these are the properties of alkyl halides. Let me now take some interesting facts about the substitutions and eliminations. Okay.